Presenting a pre-owned 2013 BMW 335i. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.